How are you, viewers? We are back on birds. We are going to see how we call birds. Sometimes birds we can call it poultry. Poultry, the keeping of domestic birds.
Yeah.
But today, these are not only domestic birds, they are
Yes.
mixed up, right?
Okay.
The first bird we have is a duck. A duck, in my language, is a mbata.
Mbata.
Yeah.
Nepal is has.
Has.
Yeah, we pronounce
Next we have a goose. A goose we call it mbata kabuzi.
Mbata.
Mbata kabuzi.
Mbata kabuzi.
Yeah.
Same, this one also has.
Okay. Next we have a turkey. A turkey we call it sekoko.
Coco.
Sekoko.
Sekoko.
Yeah.
This also Gidda. Nepal is Gidda.
Yeah. Okay. Next we have a hen, a female chicken, a hen. We call it omusera. Enkoko enkazi omusera.
Omusera.
Yeah.
Nepal is Kukra.
Next we have a parrot. Hey, I've remembered the parrot. You say it's called suga. Suga.
Yes.
The parrot in my language we call it kasuku. Next we have a peacock. This bird has very many colors.
Yeah.
But in my language still we call it peacock.
Peacock.
Yeah, how do you call a peacock?
Nepal is Mayur.
Okay. Next we have an owl. Owl.
Yeah.
Owl we call it echiwugulu.
Yes. Oh, guru.
Echiwugulu.
Oh, it's very hard. Nepal is Latokosera.
Latokosera.
Yeah.
Is owl. Okay. Next we have a crow. A crow in my language we call it namungona.
Namungona.
Yeah, namungona.
Nepal is kawa, kak. This is Urdu kawa. Then Nepal is kak.
Kak. Yeah. Okay, next you have a sparrow. A sparrow we call it nkazalujja.
Inkala.
Nkazalujja. A sparrow.
Yeah, this is Nepal. Pista.
Pista.
Yeah.
Okay, next we have a pigeon. A pigeon, we call it injiwa.
Injiwa. This is Nepal Parewa.
Next we have a kingfish. A kingfish, in my language we call it konkonamuti.
Konkonamuti.
Yeah.
This Nepal is same.
Okay, next we have a penguin.
Yeah.
A penguin is like in a form of a duck, but these birds you find them on the ocean.
Yeah, yeah.
So my country is landlocked. We don't have oceans, so we don't have penguins there. So still we call it a penguin.
Yeah, Nepal also no have penguin. Same.
We have a woodpeck bird. A woodpeck. This bird, like it knocks its mouth on woods. We call it konkonamuti.
Yeah, Nepal is also same.
Next we have a swan. A swan is like a wild duck which lives on water. We call it mbata kabuzi.
Mbata
kabuzi. A swan.
This is Nepal is bakulla.
Next we have a hornbill. A hornbill in my language we call it a nganga.
Nepal also a hornbill. This same. Yeah.
Next we have a crane. A crane is a crested crane. In my language it is the like the national bird. A crane we call it ngari.
This also Nepal is has. Same.
Okay.
Not different.
Next we have robin. Robin, we can call it namungona.
Same this cow, kak.
Kak.
Yeah.
Okay. Next we have a hummingbird. This one here.
Yeah.
We have a hummingbird. We call we call it akanuna nsubi.
Nepal also same. I have.
Next we have a takan. A takan in my language we call it mpabana. Mpabana. Yeah.
This Nepal also same.
Next we have a flamingo. A flamingo in my language we call it kalori. Yeah.
Nepal is hilehas.
Next we have an ostrich.
Yeah.
An ostrich in my language we call it maya.
This Nepal also ostrich.
Next we have an eagle. An eagle we call it kamunye.
Nepal is chil.
Next we have a vulture. A vulture in my language we call it insega. Yeah, insega.
Nepal is gidda.
Gidda is a vulture, insega.
Gidda.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Tala Danbat.
Dhanyawad.
Yeah, we were new.
Okay.